Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the volatility of the silver after pandemic, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, this is the only low what we have seen in the pandemic. After that, what we have seen, it has made a low of around 17.6. Okay, and after that it has not come to this particular level, and chances can be high that it is going to go on a higher side. Okay, and it is already above a level of $28. Chances will be high a further upside movement we can see if the price keeps sustaining above this level. And yes, there is a pattern is also forming, and there is a breakout after 2021 that this level has not come, so chances can be high a further high we can see. Okay, if the price keep moving above that level, we will see it will cross a level of 29, and chances of crossing a level of 30 will be there because this level is already being weak, so chances of going further upside we can see. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, looking at this particular chart, there is a trend we have seen, and chances can be higher that if the price keep moving up to this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, if you look at the dollar index also, you will see the dollar index also on a weekly basis there is a continuous high. Okay, it is trying to go below a level of 1.6, but it didn't go and sustain above a level, this particular level, and chances are high after touching a level of 105.8 it moved again to a level of 106. So that we will see a further upside movement in the dollar index, which can in turn reduce the price of gold also and other commodities. But what we have seen that the after it has fallen below a level of 106, we have seen the silver price was moving upside, and we can see there will be a rise in the price of silver because pattern is being formed. Okay, but so if the price started going below a level of dollar index, that means 106, then we will see there will be a fall and the rise in the silver prices. But what we have seen in 2-3 weeks before that, they were moving in the same direction. Okay, so always remember that market is uncertain. Okay, so setting your SL will save your capital. If you're setting your SL, it will save your capital, and if you're trailing your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you should be doing. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will move above level of 106.8, and from there it will cross a level of 107 and then a further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 105 to 105.8 and then to a level of 105.2, and if the price fall below this level, it will move below a level of $105. Okay, so now if you look at this trend of silver, what we have seen. So before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Looking at this particular chart, chances are high it can go towards a level of $28.965, and if the price sustain above this level, it can touch its previous week's high of around 29.6. Okay, if the price keep moving above that particular level, chances will be further upside that it can cross that level, and it will go towards a level of around $29.9 after crossing a level of 29.6, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 30.2. Keep that in mind, this is the level. So if the price keep moving above level of 30.2, a further upside movement we can see, because this is the level where the probability is very much higher. So chances can be high it will cross a level of around $31, and from there a further upside movement we can see. I'm telling you because this level we have not seen since 2030. So chances can be high as soon as the price started going above level of 30, we will see there will be a further high in the price of silver. Okay, and then we have seen the dollar index is also trying to go higher, so we can see there can be a bounce back, but chances are very low that it will be a bounce back because a level of 30 is already being tested. So chances are high it will move further upside. Okay, so probability can be high it can go along with the dollar also, dollar index also. So you have to always set your SL if the price not sustaining as per what you have traded. But if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, so if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards its next level, coming at a level of around $28. Okay, and if the price started falling below this level, we can see it will come towards a level of 28.3. Suppose if the price started falling below 28.3, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $28. Okay, and if that level move further down, then we will see it will go further down towards a level of $27.3. Keep that in mind that once the price started falling below a level of 28.3, chance of touching 28 will be there, and from there a level of 27.3. Once the price started going below that particular zone, we will see it will touch a level of 27. Okay, and if that level sustain, a further downfall we can see, and then a probability of going towards a level of $26.8 will be there. Again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of 28.3 and then to a level of 28. If the price started falling below that level, chances of touching a level of 27.3 will be there, and then to a level of 27. If the price started falling below 27, a further fall we can see towards a level of 26.678 and then to a level of $26.196. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So if the price fall below a level of 26, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. So hope you like the video.